it's me again, Michelle. Welcome to my life diaries here in Maldives. So for today's video, maghimo ta og overnight oatmeal. So these are my ingredients. Instant oatmeal, I have chia seeds, I have yogurt, honey, and 3 different fruits. Strawberry, blueberry, and banana. So let's start. First, instant oatmeal. I don't know how many. Maybe 6, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Chia seeds. Okay, I think this is enough, no? Kakaka ako din. Tama. Overdose na. Next is our yogurt. Just pour it in. And we have also almond milk. No, I forgot almond. I think you need to put more, no? You should mix everything. Oh, I have to mix it. Mix it. Can you put pagkartihan karon mayaglag yun. Mix lang. I think. Okay. And next is mag-refill na tasa yang sudanan. So let's put 1, 3.
So gibana-bana ra gyud ako na siya guys no na even ang iyang sulod tanan. And then butangan nato siya.
And then each one, this one matakan na siya og kani yung cookies. Look. Wow, so yummy, right? And then the other one is banana. Banana. Ooh, I'm so in love. Look at that. Diba? Pag inanin mo guys, kung gusto mo ma-parang sexy para na ka. Yes. Saka sexy daw ko mag-build oh. Visit. Oh, so pretty this one. Okay, namugas ko kamot pa.
Asa yung banana?
Okay, banana ano? And then the strawberry. Last one is our strawberry. Tata. Video na ba guys? Nami day no. So here's my oatmeal. I have the blueberry. Blueberry ba tawag nila? I have berry, strawberry, and banana. And the last step is to put some honey on top to make it more tastier. Okay? So look. Whoa, I think I put too much honey, no? I don't care. Look. Whoa. More correct. This is for tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening for dinner. And this one, I don't know, maybe later. So let's put it inside the fridge. Here's our fridge here. Success! Wala, mag-sexy yan. Mag-upload mo guys para makarayot na. Wala tata. Maganda sa postay. Thanks for watching. Bye!